Transformationer se superinaisha shazmatanga de pendule na aye ngokuye na rapana uchulas smale makho chulas smale moabuzu ukuthi njengoba abasekana abawu sakumbona babengaka abahamba maybe 300 abahamba okay sithi 300 abasekana abahamba bo 300 amapha amathuba omsebenzi awu 300 avulekile akunganda kunoma kama slide video phara umthakathi sizwe ukuthi ngempela amathuba omsebenzi makakanana sevulekile. This is so interesting.
We have beaten every word, every name that is we've been named. We have beaten and we have proven to the government ukuthi we are not those names. We are South Africans who love their country. We are South Africans who want to see this country prosper. And in a short space of time, we have shown that imisebenzi khona eSouth Africa ngoba kukwazile ukuthi kuqashwa abantu njengamanje obasikhuluma uSpa unamathuba athi sizwa izolo late ukuthi uSpa unamathuba u15,000 for South Africans. Kade sizwa manje ukuthi lapha eThekwini indawo eziningi almost 1,000 yemisebenzi evulekile. Kunendawo eyodwa ekhanda uPoloni la eMbilo ekwazi ukuthatha abantu abawu500 replacing 500 foreigners. Now if you are telling me ukuthi we are xenophobic and then ade sibona manje lapho kuna 15,000 wabantu baseMalawi. So are you telling me ukuthi laba abantu baseMalawi bebengasebenzi? Bonke labantu baseMalawi bebengasebenzi. Njengoba ubabona nje ukuthi into yabi namabhadi as much as kubhlungu ukubona amabhasi abo eginqeka. Bathathe mina bangifaka ebhodleleni bethi bayangithakatha. Yes. Bangifaka ebhodleleni bafaka izibi, bafaka umuthi, bafaka amanzi, bafaka isithombe sami. Bathatha leso thombe bangena nasebhasini bahamba naso bethi baya naseMalawi. Lawo ibhasi endleleni. Uyabona? Ngeshwa elibhlungu may his soul rest in peace udriver wetruck ushonile aba11 balimala. And that is a very sad thing to watch. Ukuthi abantu bakithi now even abantu abayizikhulu esikhundleni sokuthi bekhulume ngokuthi siyabonga bantu base South Africa. Siyabonga ukuthi nisukume nisikhombisa ukuthi lento ingenzeka. Lento ebesihlula sonke lesisikhathi ingenzeka. But what abawoli benzani? Bathi uphakela umthakathi is unskilled. But no, he's an unskilled Zulu man because angikhuluma isingisi esikhulu angithi. Kodwa ngenza into I can lead 257,000 men and they can walk through town without breaking anything. So ufuna ngibe skilled kanjani? Ubona ukuthi lamadoda emiza amadala kangaka. Yesterday they were advocates, they were doctors, they were professionals, they were learned people ebebelapha emachine ebengibahola izolo. Bekunelunga leParliament ebengilihola izolo lapha. So I'm still unskilled because angikhuluma isilungu esikhulu.